everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Warabi Mochi. That is jiggly Japanese dessert using this mix I found at a Japanese supermarket in the US. One thing you need to be careful about when following Japanese recipe using microwave is the watts difference. Japanese microwaves are 500 to 600 watts, but in the US they are stronger. Okay, let's open the package. This set comes with everything you need. Inside you have Warabi Mochi powder and Kuromitsu and Kinako. Warabi Mochi is a starch usually made from bracken root. Kuromitsu is a dark molasses-like syrup, and Kinako is roasted soybean powder. Okay, let's start making. First, you need a microwave-safe bowl and open the Warabi Mochi starch. It is 65 grams. And pour 300 milliliters of water, then stir well until there is no lumps. When it's fully dissolved, it will look like almost like milk. The package suggests adding sugar, 20 grams for a lighter sweetness or 65 grams for dessert lovers. But I'm skipping sugar in the mixture today and mixing the sugar with the Kinako powder later. The package says to cover the bowl loosely with plastic wrap and microwave for 2 minutes. But since my microwave is 1000 watts, I'm starting with just 1 minute. Then after the 1 minute, take it out. Give it a good stir. Then microwave for another 30 seconds or 1 minute. Stir again. Then do another 30 seconds. Here is the important tip. Microwave in short bursts and stir well each time. This helps avoid overcooking and ensures even heating. You see the translucent part, right? When parts of the mixture turn translucent, it means the starch is cooked. Opaque parts are not yet done. At this point, stir well to ensure even cooking. If you heat it too long at once, it will harden and won't mix properly. Keep stirring to blend the cooked and the liquid part together. Our goal is a translucent wobbly dough, not completely clear, but just semi-transparent and jiggly. Continue microwaving and stirring the mixture until it becomes fully translucent. If it still looks white and opaque, it needs more time. Let's check. Still a bit white, but no lumps and it's heating evenly. So we are close. A little more heat and we will be there. This might be the final heating. Fingers crossed. Alright. It's looking good. Nice and translucent now. That means it's fully cooked. Give it one last stir to make sure there's no uneven heating. Once the entire mixture is translucent after stirring, the tricky part is done. Once you remember this translucent look and firmness, it will be easier to make from the second time onward. To reach this state, repeatedly microwave the mixture in short bursts while stirring until it's just right. This is how you can easily make warabi mochi. At this point, all that's left is to let it cool and cut it. Place the bowl in a large bowl of ice water to chill for 20 to 30 minutes. The ice helps it set faster. You could pour the mixture into a flat dish to cool down, but since I'm just making this for myself, I will keep it in the bowl. While the mochi chills, let's prep the kinako. Kinako on its own can be a bit dry and make you cough, so I'm mixing in some sugar to make it easier to eat. Adjust to your taste, but keep the sugar under the amount of kinako for the best balance. Once the warabi mochi is chilled, it's time to cut it. Sprinkle some kinako on a cutting board to prevent sticking. Then tip out the mochi. Sprinkle more kinako over it and cut it into bite-sized cubes. And dust them generously with the kinako sugar mix. Look at that jiggly texture, so satisfying. Your warabi mochi is ready. It's best enjoyed fresh, but if you are not eating it the same day, store it in the fridge and reheat it in the microwave for 15 to 30 seconds. It will stay good in the fridge for up to 5 days. Now for the fun part. Let's treat ourselves to a Japanese tea time moment. I have prepared a delightful tea time spread. So let's enjoy it together. Serve the freshly made warabi mochi and drizzle kuromitsu over it just before eating to keep it not too sticky. Japanese green tea is the perfect match to this treat. Doesn't it look delicious? Oh yes, it's so good. Jiggly, chewy warabi mochi. In Japan, there was this little warabi mochi shop tucked away inside the station's ticket gates. And I used to stop by for some warabi mochi on my way home. So nostalgic. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye!